So just from that brief test, there was a lot of difference between the two speakers, and I will say the 2x more bass claim definitely holds up. The bass on the Google Nest Mini was a lot more clear than the one on the Home Mini, and the separation between the treble and the bass was a lot better. Though it did kind of feel like it had to turn the treble sound down a bit to get that much level of bass. So I recommend you pick one of these up. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.